All right, let's take a look at this question. Write and solve a put together / take apart problem for 1/2 plus something equals 2/3, which is an add-in unknown problem. One has 2/3 cup of sugar. If 1/2 cup of sugar is white sugar and the rest is brown sugar, how much brown sugar does he have? You can see using this math drawing that we have some quantity plus our 1/2 equals a total of 2/3. The situation equation is 1/2 plus a missing quantity equals 2/3, and the solution equation is 2/3 minus 1/2. And you can see on the right-hand side the number bond that is formed, where 2/3 is split amongst 1/2 and some other quantity. Now, to solve this problem, I tried to imagine what a whole must look like. That way I could visualize what 2/3 was and what 1/2 was in terms of the whole, and be able to compare these numbers to each other so that I could add or subtract them. Here we'll be subtracting. So we have size pieces of 1/3 for the 2/3, and we have pieces of size 1/2 for the 1/2. So the denominator of 3 and the denominator of 2 gives me the least common denominator of 6. So I knew the whole had to have 6 pieces. Then I drew a whole and I shaded what was 2/3 of the whole. And then I represented the 1/2 by shading 1/2 of a separate but equal whole. Then for every red square, I can take away a yellow square. And I'm left with one yellow square, which is one shaded piece out of 6. So one has 1/6 of a cup of brown sugar. If we look at the standard algorithm, we would have taken 2/3 minus 1/2. We would have taken 2 times 2 pieces of size 1/6 and subtracted from it 3 times our 1 piece, giving us 4 minus 3, or 1. And 1 piece is of size 6, so 1/6. And how would this relate to the image that we drew? Well, you can see shaded in yellow, we actually have 4, 6, which form the 2/3, and shaded in red, we have 1/2, which is 3, 6. And you can see that our yellow step of 4, 6 is here on the left-hand side, where it started at 2/3, and the red quantity of the 1/2 is here on the right-hand side and began as a 1/2. So you can always relate your math drawing with your standard algorithms. That way, anyone can agree that the answer is 1/6 through a visual image, and it's still 1/6 through numerical analysis. And always remember to answer your question in words in terms of the context of the question. So Juan has 1/6 of a cup of brown sugar.